What's up, Evie?
Hi.
Hey, Millie.
Hi.
Hey, Nova.
Hi.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, man.
Oh my God.
Man.
Oh God.
Millie. So what do you do? Oh, is Mama Maria doing it? Okay, Mama Maria is doing the feet over here. Look.
Oh my God.
So each horse gets their own stuff. Yep.
Nice.
So they get some alfalfa pellets, they get some grain, and then they get some supplements, some oil for their coat and skin and all sorts of things. There's a little chart right there of who gets what. But,
Yeah, we have a snake in here.
Oh yeah, we have a resident pet black snake.
Nice.
So then after you do this, what do you do? Do you add, what do you add? You add some water. Why do you add some water?
Okay, I don't know these things.
So you add some water because the alfalfa is really dry and the horses could choke. Especially Jazzy. You know, Jazzy has issues with her breathing already. So we add some water to these buckets to kind of make it like a soup. And Jazzy gets her little medicine. Spoiled. You mixing? Look at Jazzy's little pills in there. Do you know what that powder is, Evie? Flaxseed. Flaxseed powder. It's good for their skin and their fur and all that stuff. All right. You're gonna add a little water. It's a lot of food.
Let's go.
Evie the farmer. This is Sterling's. Sunshine next. Last one is Jazzy Belle. Here they come. We just cut them loose and they each go to their own spot.
Jazzy, she's really bad about that.
Yeah, Jazzy likes to wander sometimes. Here she comes. Hi, big boy.
Hi.
You go in there. Hi, Jazzy Belle. No, you are so bad. All right, everybody's in their stall. Jazzy is naughty because she doesn't want to take her medicine.
Oh no.
So she doesn't.
She avoids the medicine. She goes.
She kind of mouths it around. Here's Fuzz.
We literally have to grab hay to come and catch.
Kind of, track her in. Fuzzy. And Sunshine. She's knocking everything over. And big boy Sterling. He gets the big stall. Because otherwise, he is a menace to himself. Hello, sir. Hi, baby. Hi, big boy. We also got some visitors that made a slight little mess over here. Oh, there they are.
God.
Oh, there they are. Look at them. There they are. Part of farm life. Whee! Thanks. All right, Evie. See you next time, friend. Like and subscribe.